Hello fellow YouTubers, Timbo here. Today I'm going to be doing a flashlight collection. Here is an overview of all of my flashlights. As we get started here, I do somewhat have these in categories. This first category are ones that I don't use much. They mostly stay in a box in my closet. This next category, which is horizontal, also stay in the same box because they are broken. The switches or the connections inside do not work. As we move on to this next category, these are in order of brightness from row to row, but not necessarily from flashlight to flashlight. So here's my first row here. Second row. Good for just seeing what's kind of around you. As you go on to these next two sections, you will notice there are some small ones that are in there because they are surprisingly bright for their size. Go on to my fourth row here. These are all decent. And some of those in the third row are actually fairly decent as well. Come here to my last row. These are some of my brighter ones. As we go on to the next category, these are my mag lights. 5D cell, 4D cell, 3D cell, 2D cell, and 2C cell. Those are all standard bulbs. That yellow one is not a mag light. This next category is what I carry in my truck. I carry a box light, a 4C cell mag light, a new LED 2D cell mag light, and 3 little flashlights. As we go on to this next category, I am a security officer, and this is what I primarily carry on duty. First we have a Craftsman 212 lumens I carry when I'm outside patrolling. Next we have an LED Lensar, which I carry on my duty belt, and approximately 100 lumens. Next is a Performance Tool, 75 lumens, which I also carry on my duty belt. And then an Omni Strong, which is 50 lumens, which I carry in my pocket. And this next category I will switch out with some of my duty lights, kind of change it around from time to time. First I have a Sierra Mountain that I'll switch with that Omni Strong. It is also 50 lumens. I have a Coast, which I will switch with the Performance Tools. The Coast is 62 lumens. I have a Smith & Wesson 96 lumens, and a Surefire, which is 105 lumens, which I will switch with my LED Lensar. And then I carry, like I said, I carry these two mag lights in my truck, so I will switch these from time to time with my Craftsman for when I'm outside. So here is just another overview of my flashlights. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you.